Hot ou French bread. Te French bread I a beautiful en classic style. All to intricate vive ma par complicated, creating your own French bread I a simple process. 11 you've gotten the basic of a traditional bread done, 3 a French or Frenchless bread on forces. Creating a classic French bread. Pre your hair. Brush through your hair to get alt tangle out and make it soft, smooth, and ready to bread. For a single bread going on the back of your head, brush your hair backward, away from your forehead. You might want a bread on the side of your head instead, or maybe you're making more on a bread. In that case, par your hair and brush it into section. You can braid your hair when it dry or when it wet. Braiding water give you soft, pretty wave when you take it out latte. Begin sectioning your hair. Start process big at trim a big chunk, 3-4 inch wide, from the top center of your head. Alt hair into section should come from the same row. You don't want to grab strand from you or low it down. If you have a bang, you can bring them into the bread at the point or leave them loose. As you think looks best. To braid them, you'll need to grab hair from the very top center of your head, right above your forehead. Section you start with a nothing to do with how big your bread will be. You start with a small section, but bread grow thicker you add more hair. Separate the first chunk into 3 pieces. Just like traditional bread, French bread use 3 sections of hair to create their pattern. Separate them out by running your finger through chunk you are holding to create 3 even pieces. Make sure that none of the pieces are large or small etant two. Begin in a traditional bread. First, you have to get your own positioning right, all 2 strands in an and tear strand into T. Begin in a traditional bread by crossing the right strand over toute santé. Then, cross the left strand from over toute santé. Repair until you've made a fair row of a traditional bread. Work in your hair. Going with the traditional bread pattern, start bringing in the piece of hair. Before crossing a section over to santé, grab some hair from the side of your head and include it in the crossover. Every time you crossover, work in a small piece of hair. En much new hair you grab a team de hair mate, but less hair you grab, the more intricate the bread will look. For the best looking French bread, pick up the hair near your face and neck. If you only pick up piece from the santé, near the main strand, tail jet covered du plate with strand from to side. Bring all of your hair into the bread. As you work on your head, you'll start running out of free hair to bring into the bread. By time you're at the nape of your neck, you should have incorporated all of your hair. Finish the bread. When all of your hair is into working bread, finish it off a traditional bread. Go until you're at of your strand. Then, secure the bread with a ponytail. Avoid using rubber band, at the rip and break hair when you remove them.